The FHA minimum credit score is 580, not 620. HUD set that number. Your bank raised it. Those are two completely different things. You are probably watching this because a loan officer looked at your file, saw a score in the 580s, and told you that you do not qualify. A client of mine named Tanya, a dental assistant in Charleston, South Carolina, heard exactly that. Her score was 585. The bank sent her home. She spent 3 months thinking she did something wrong. She did not. The bank just had a higher internal cutoff than the federal government requires. If that sounds familiar, stay with me. Stay to the end, and I will give you the exact sentence to say to any lender that immediately tells you whether their requirement is a federal rule or a policy they invented. Here is how it actually works. HUD sets a minimum credit score of 580 for a 3.5% down payment FHA loan. If your score is between 500 and 579, you may still qualify, but you would need 10% down. Below 500, FHA financing is not available. That is the government rule. Full stop. Now, FHA does not make loans. FHA insures them. Private lenders originate the loan, and because of that structure, lenders are allowed to add their own requirements on top of HUD minimums. Those extra requirements are called overlays. A 620 credit score requirement is an overlay. So is 640. None of those numbers came from HUD. They came from a risk committee inside a bank. Not every lender uses them. There are lenders who will go to 580 with 3.5% down. They exist. They are legitimate, and they are federally approved. For Tanya, I matched her file to a lender without a 620 overlay, confirmed her score cleared the actual HUD floor, and she closed. I read the actual government guidelines, not just a summary sheet, so when a lender says something does not qualify, I know whether that is a federal rule or a policy they built themselves. Here is what I promised you. Go to your lender and say this exact sentence. Does HUD require a 620 credit score for FHA loans, or is 620 your overlay? If it is your overlay, which lenders can do my loan at 580? That question exposes the difference between a federal rule and a business decision. A denial based on an overlay is not a federal disqualification.